Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to change age on TikTok. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your TikTok account, then after tap on your profile. Then after tap on your profile, there you can see the option of three dot icon on your top right corner. Tap on it. There you can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on it. Here you can see you can see the option of account. Tap on it. There you can see the option of account information. Tap on it. There you will see phone number, date of birth. Tap on date of birth. Here you can see the option of date of birth again. Celebrate birthday. You can turn it on or turn it off as well. Tap on birthday, and like this, if you scroll, you can change your birth date accordingly. Then tap on save, then tap on confirm, tap on done. Like this, you have changed your age. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.